go. I'm just going to do a little attachment on Harrison. Just putting a bit of Ghost Bond adhesive on just at the front where I can go. I don't want to spin Harrison around because I'm going to do a little bit of a surprise. Yeah, so I'll only do a small attachment. You promise to keep your eyes shut?
Of course I will.
Right, I'll turn back now. You can just see that in the camera. It's not very much, so I'll come back here now. And literally, that's all I'll do when people come in to see me, and just do a basic attachment. I always use a client system, which is fine, because that's the reason they go ahead, is because they're not looking at me, they can look at themselves. But we've obviously got to be careful because it's someone else's, yeah?
So that glue, what is it?
It's a water-based adhesive, yeah, that's compatible to your scalp. When I first went ahead, I think they put any adhesive on your head, and it was a minefield. But probably. But this is from a company called ProLabs that formulated this purely for hair systems, so it's compatible to your scalp.
Cool.
The water-based adhesive, you rarely get any infection at all, and I mean rarely. More often than not, as if someone scratches, which will probably lead on to another question.
No, I don't know.
Does it itch?
I don't. Yeah, does it itch?
I did a flog on this the other day. Personally, nothing itches on me, but then I think I'm vain and I wouldn't feel it anyway. Right. So on the third or fourth week of the bond, it's like anything logical. It probably will itch a bit. You're a groomer.
Yeah.
You're not going to leave it too long.
No.
The tips I give is take control of it. Don't leave it too long. The less going on underneath a hair system, the less it's going to itch.
Exactly.
If you're an itcher. Yeah, see what I mean?
So how often would you recommend, like, the keep back? Like, do they need to come back here? Like, how long does it?
Right, because you're in the industry, like as a hairdresser and dancer and that kind of stuff, and like I say, you're a groomer as always, right? So you will take things up really fast, yeah? So but a lot of people come back every 4 weeks. Initially, because you go into this, it'd be wrong for you really to just go into expect you're going to be as good as me. Yeah, you will be good because you're going to be a natural. Yeah, so probably come back to see us on the third week, and we'll teach you. But my goal is, because of where you're going with the dancing and that kind of stuff, is get you to be self-maintaining and telling everybody at the same time.
Yeah, that's good. Cool.
Given your experience, yeah. So
that'll come with practice though, like after a few months. You know?
And like, sometimes it's like anything. You know, if I went to say, come on, Harrison, teach me to dance. Yeah. You're going to be frustrated. You might say, do you know what, there's a little bit of potential there. Yeah. Not doing the granddad dance. So I can see something going on. But you would put the effort in. And I know if I listen, I'm going to get better faster. Of course. I mean, it's not rocket science on that, is it? No. So yeah. So right, okay, I'm ready to do it now. Cool. No peeking.
I won't.
Will you put your head back? So this system I'm putting on is an all lace with a lace colour 5 in my world, right? So the reason I've chosen this one is because I think it'll look okay on Harrison, but it's like if it doesn't, I've gained from this because I've got different ones I can select. So if I think it's 2 shades up, I'll use it. So I will gain from this attachment. Right, itchy nose time. Actually, if you keep your eyes shut, my knees just don't open. That's it, right. Head forward slightly. I'll put it there. I'll put it there. So literally, I've just attached this small amount here. Keep your eyes shut. Head forward a bit. Lace colour's pretty good. Keeping your eyes shut again. Well done, it's an absolute star. I will use one slightly above for it, but it's still good. You'll see how good it is. And this is where, move forward without looking again. This is where the craftsmanship comes into it. I think that probably looks very good for everybody, or the camera. So it's only just a basic attachment, yeah, and only a little bit at the front. You felt that, didn't you? So I'll come in and keep your eyes shut again. I'll come in and photo bomb. Head forward a bit.
Like down.
Go just up a bit more. That's it. Right, I reckon you can just see over the camera. Right, so you just move your head now and have a look.
We do Mars?
Yeah, cool.
Oh my god.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. Different person.
Right, so that's just plonked on your head, uncut.
That's so good.
Yes!
That's amazing.
Right, so it's literally just, yeah, nearly your lace colour.
Oh my god.
Right, so we stay there for you, please. Seriously?
I love it.
So, right, I'll just put it into a bit of a style and I'll get your sister to come in. Your mum and your sister to come in. So leave that for a minute.
Yeah.
Right, count to 3 and then come in. Count to 3 first, stop there. A little bit of photo bombing. There we go.
Leave it.
Oh no.
It's mad, isn't it?
Oh mad. That's so weird. Different person.
I look like a different person.
No, it look like you should look.
Like I
Yeah.
should look. Yeah.
Right, so this is just literally a couple attachment, but you already seen from, by the way, you're all on video. This is Mum, no, come in.
Mum, come in.
Sorry.
But you basically, you know, you obviously know how much this bothers Harrison, yeah?
Yeah.
And this is nearly the lace colour. I've only attached it here, right? But if you go in above the lace, because that's cut off, you can see it looks really good.
Yeah.
Right, so you can see the potential, yeah? This has just been put on the head. Yeah, yeah, go for it. Pretty impressed?
Yeah.
That's it, get your camera right.
Oh my god, put down. I need to take food.
Go for it. I'll go in and do that.
I can't believe it.
You just took one of the beasts.
Yeah, too.
Oh my god.
You liking that?
Yeah.
So pretty much everybody, this is what happens when anyone comes to see me.
London.
Right, so you can see that was just completely, you had no idea that was happening, did you? We were on camera and everything. So you didn't know that, but that was a natural reaction, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, they did laugh a little bit, but with pleasure.
It's mad.
And let's stay on for 3 months.
Oh no.
No, I have to come back every few weeks.
Is it?
Yeah, but then with Harrison being in the industry, we plan to train him, yeah? So
I can self-maintain. Am I going to look at it?
So do self-meeting. Give it a shake.
yeah, well, it's only just bonded a little bit, mate. Just
I love it, I love
Oh my god.
So tell the camera that then, seeing us rolling,
What am I saying?
anything you like.
I love it.
Even plonked on, yeah? You
Yeah.
can see, obviously, it can't look any worse than this,
Yeah.
right? Well, it
I
can,
like
it's
it
uncut,
messy,
yeah.
yeah.
But it can, so basically, yeah. So basically, once that's all cut off and the lace colour's correct and cut in, you can see the potential, yeah? Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.